Welcome to My Day, My Choice, where style meets family moments. Today, we explore mother of the bride gowns with lace jackets that blend grace, coverage, and sparkle. These looks support confidence from ceremony to dance floor. We will cover colors, fits, fabrics, and budgets so you shine beside your daughter. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay with me, let's find a look that feels special and you. Let's start with silhouette. A-line gowns flatter most body shapes and move easily. Sheath dresses give a sleek look under a cropped lace jacket. Fit and flare styles highlight the waist while keeping movement comfy. Choose a lace jacket length that meets the dress. Hip length for A-line, bolero for sheath. Soft stretch lace feels kind on arms, adds coverage without heat, and photographs beautifully all day. All three options are timeless choices. Next, choose color with care. Champagne, taupe, slate, navy, and dusty rose pair well with many wedding palettes. Ask the couple about dress code and color rules. Keep lace jacket and gown in the same color family for harmony. If the bride wears ivory, warm neutrals look soft nearby. Metallic thread in lace adds sparkle under lights without heavy beads. Avoid bright white and very neon shades to respect tradition. Fabric matters for comfort. Choose breathable options for long ceremonies and dancing. Chiffon or crepe gowns feel light under a lace jacket. Matte satin gives structure without shine overload. Look for lace with a soft backing so sleeves do not itch. 3/4 sleeves give coverage yet stay cool. For summer, pick open floral lace. For winter, select denser lace patterns that keep warmth and shape. Length guides elegance and ease. Floor-length gowns feel formal, especially with a sweep train that barely touches the floor. T-length, hitting mid-calf, keeps movement simple on stairs. Knee-length works for casual or garden weddings. Match the lace jacket to the dress vibe. Longer lines with long skirts, cropped shapes with shorter hemlines. Ensure the jacket does not catch beads or sequins. Accessories complete the look. Choose low or mid heels you can wear for hours. Closed-toe pumps or elegant block heels support comfort on uneven paths. Keep jewelry simple so the lace stays the star. Pearl studs, a thin bracelet, perhaps a delicate pendant. Carry a small clutch for tissues and lipstick. If the venue cools at night, add a wrap that layers easily under the lace jacket. You are ready to choose a mother of the bride gown with a beautiful lace jacket. Trust comfort, fit, and joyful color. Let your style support the couple's vision and your own personality. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend. For recommended picks, see the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost. Thanks for watching today.